In this video, I will tell you how to download Paint 3D. After searching Paint 3D, the first website that appears on your screen, click on that 3D website. Click on free download. Now you can see the latest version of Paint 3D. Now click on go to the download page. Now you can see download Paint 3D for Windows, 100% free and original. Now click on download Paint 3D. It will take few seconds for started downloading automatically. While downloading, you can read about Paint 3D and also see the key feature of Paint 3D. After complete downloading, click on the file that is download to install Paint 3D. The box launch when ready. It will automatically launch after installing. Now just click on install and wait few seconds. Now you can see Paint 3D application run automatically. Now you can do any work what you want to do in this application.